Welcome to Squiz Kids Science Shorts, the show where we take your big curly questions and unpack the science stories everyone's talking about. Break them down into snack-sized, science-powered answers. We sort the fact from the fluff, keep it fun, keep it fast, and whether it's happening in your body, your backyard, or the big wide universe, we're here to explain the science behind the headlines. Spiders don't really look like engineers. No clipboards, no calculators, no high vis. But the silk that they make, that has scientists seriously impressed. Because you may have heard this before, spider silk is as strong as steel.
Whoa.
Which leads to an excellent question. If spider silk is really that strong, could we build something like the Eiffel Tower out of cobwebs? Short answer, no. Long answer, let's untangle it. When scientists compare spider silk to steel, they're not really saying a spider web could replace metal beams in a building. They're talking about strength for its weight. Spider silk is incredibly thin and incredibly light, so gram for gram, it can handle a similar pulling force to steel before snapping. That kind of strength is called tensile strength. It's how well something resists being pulled apart. And in that category, spider silk is a superstar. But buildings, they don't just get pulled, they get squashed by their own weight. That's called compression. Steel is fantastic at compression. Spider silk, not so much. A spider web is designed to stretch and to absorb energy. That's why flying insects can slam into a web without tearing it apart. But stack spider silk into a tower shape and it would gently crumple into a very expensive pile of fluff. Here's the problem. Say the Eiffel Tower. It weighs about 10,000 tonnes. A spider web, well, it weighs roughly the same as a dusty sneeze. Even if spider silk is strong for its size, there's just not enough of it to do the job. And even if you wanted to make more spider silk, well, good luck. Spiders make terrible factory workers, they're territorial, they don't cooperate, and if you put too many together, they'll happily eat one another. Not ideal for mass production. Scientists are trying to copy spider silk using bacteria, yeast, and even silkworms because the material itself is amazing. But spider silk wasn't designed to build cities, it was designed to catch dinner. So, no Eiffel Tower of cobwebs, but one of nature's cleverest materials? Absolutely, because strength isn't just about not snapping, it's about being strong in the way that you need. Had fun? Follow the show, drop us a 5-star review and tell us what you want to know next. Leave your questions in the comments or email me at squizkids@thesquiz.com.au and you might just hear your answer right here on next week's Squiz Kids Science Shorts.